Hello everyone, it's Winona from Dairy Barn Art. Welcome and welcome back. Welcome if you're new. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. Before we start today's video, I'm going to do a little bit of everyday gratitude. And if you're new here, I like to read a bit of this at the beginning of my videos. I try to live my life in gratitude every day and try to look at the good instead of the bad. And this is by Tara Brach. It says, stepping out of the busyness, stopping our endless pursuit of getting somewhere else is perhaps the most beautiful offering we can make to our spirit. What if where I am and what I am doing right now is enough? Oh, that speaks, boy. I'm always on to the next thing in my mind. I need to just stop, rest, and just enjoy the moment. Speaking of the moment, look at my fingers. I had my nails done. They were really nice, but they needed to be done again. And in the process of getting ready for my quilt retreat, I have 3 nails torn down very low that I've just got band-aids on because I can't cut them that short. If I'm going to get my nails done, I don't think that this shellac is the best. I think I have to go full-blown gel nails, which I was kind of hoping to avoid, but if I want to have nice nails. Anyway, this is the Cricut mystery box, the Aloha mystery box. Kind of getting hooked on these boxes from Cricut. So I'll just let you look there and quickly see what's in here. And then I'm going to, oopsie, sorry about that. Move it to the side. And first off, let's see what little Cricut characters in there. I'm never much into these, and it's amazing how times change. Let's see what color. Does it say what color he is? Peacock. I should have looked at the last one before I threw the box away. Oh, he's cute. These are bigger than I thought they were. I always thought they were little tiny things. My granddaughters will love them when they come to visit. Peacock. Okay, so we've got some infusible ink in here, and I hope I didn't buy these when I was in Regina the other day. I don't think I did. I want to use these. Will these work on the Joy? Well, it doesn't say they won't. So I want to try these. I don't have like the mug press or anything yet, but I thought I could try these on some t-shirts or some onesies. So it came with those. Then it came with the Cricut glitter pens. I love these colors. How do I open this? I'm still learning so much about the Cricut. And I saw a video last night. I'm going to tie into my junk journals using the Cricut. This isn't for the Joy, it says. It's for the other machines. Well, I do have another machine. I think these are going to go in my new pen holders that I got for my Cricut. Well, my Silhouette too. Okay, so we've got those. Then we've got some vinyl here. We've got premium vinyl in fuchsia. That's a pretty color. I think I'm going to leave them in rather than taking them out this time. So that's a vinyl that's not a HTV. This is a vinyl you put on things without heat. It took me a long time to get my head around this. And this is removable matte premium vinyl, and this is the tropical sampler. So this has like the teal. Well, maybe it'll say on here what colors it has. Oh, no, it doesn't. So I don't know if I have the colors right. It looks like it has a teal, a blue, a purple, a green, a yellow, and then that fuchsia color. So that's nice. It gives you a nice variety. And we've got some vinyl in the blue. I'm suspecting a pattern here. So I think, oh, this is lighter than the blue in this kit. This is light blue. And this is permanent glossy. That's nice. Still don't know what all I'll use the vinyl on, but permanent glossy in Kelly Green. I'm a green girl. And then we've got Sports Flex Iron-On, heat activated, and it's a matte, kind of an orange. Orange? Yeah, sorry, I was going to read the next word, but it's a different language. And this you can wear for stretchy wear, but use for stretchy wear. It's a heat activated vinyl, but you can also use it on regular t-shirts. So that's pretty good. We get 2 feet of that. Then we get Strong Bond, long lasting foil iron-on. Ooh, this is interesting. Royal blue. Oh, look at the mermaid here. I might have to try that on a bag or something. Look how nice that looks on the pillow. And then finally, we've got Permanent Glossy. This is pretty. Premium vinyl in pink pearl. That is pretty. Oh, look at the flower pots. You get 48 inches of this, so 4 feet of it. Cool. I love that color. So that's what I ordered, but if you order $100 Canadian, you get free shipping. So of course I have to order $100 worth because I'm not going to spend it on the shipping. So I picked up some more stuff. I picked up, I don't remember what I picked up. I think infusible ink products. Oopsie. So in here, I'll put this down to the side and I'll just pull from it. Oh yeah, I picked up this big, gotta be careful here. My nails are so weak right now. And I can't get them done till next week. It's snowing here right now, October 26th. Come on. Oh, that was hard. So this is their extra large scraper. I just thought there's times when I would have used this if I'd had it. So I picked that up. And then I picked up this infusible ink in green watercolor, and isn't that beautiful? I picked up the Distressed infusible ink, the Distressed Rustic, and I just love those colors. And then I picked up the Pattern Splash Pad, I thought for my granddaughters. I should pull these down a bit. And then I picked up Pink Lemonade. Oh, because I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. So I picked up those infusible inks. And then I picked up a couple of t-shirts, and they're probably way too big. But I was reading that these t-shirts size small. Now I'm about a 16-18 size, and they said the 2X is a size 14. I've never heard of a 2X being a 14, and I've never heard of a 16 or 18 being a 3X. So I picked up 2. They were on sale. Hopefully they'll fit. Hopefully they're not just like a sack, but we'll see, because I wanted to use them for infusible ink. So that is my Cricut order for the day. If you are a bigger woman, let me know, you know, what size, if you use Cricut t-shirts, what size you wear. Yeah, because I should have bought one in Regina and tried it on, but I'm not paying the price they want at Michael's in the city. I'm going to pay, it's way cheaper to order from the regular Cricut site. Anyway, that's it for my purchase today. I wish you lots of luck, love, and happiness until we meet again. The little Cricut guy says bye-bye.